Good morning to all. I am Deepika Nirmalkar from MSc Nursing first year. Today I am going to deal with the topic of complementary and alternative therapy. Firstly, starting with the introduction part, alternative complementary medicine is a group of diverse medical and healthcare systems, practices, and products that are not generally considered part of conventional medicines. Conventional medicines means that accepted standards. These complementary therapies or the alternative therapies, these are the therapies that includes the more mainstream and accepted use instead of traditional therapies, means they do not have the scientific or the evidence based practices. They rely on the pseudoscience. Next, classification of the alternative complementary therapies. Alternative medical system. Firstly, alternative medical system means these are the other other than the traditional practices, a complete system of theory and practice that involve independently and biomedical approach. For example, traditional Chinese medicine, homeopathy medicine, naturopathy medicine, native American medicines evolved gradually. Evolve means develop gradually. Alternative medicines means these are uh, developed gradually, means recent. Mind body interventions uses a variety of techniques to enhance the influence of mind and body's intimate connections, means the positive energy inside the body and outside the body, means in the environment, like meditation, focused breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, guided imagery, creative visualization, hypnosis, biofeedback, music therapy, and the art therapy. We will deal the topics separately further. Third is biological based therapies. Biological based therapies means the name itself suggests the biological, means the uses of herbs and the plants uses in these practices, and the products which are completely natural and biological, like nutritional and special diets. Example, mega vitamins, metabolic therapies. The fourth one is manipulative and body based methods. Manipulative means the movement. In this therapy, what happens? The movements are provided to the body. For example, spine, massage therapy, aromatherapy, reflexology, acupressure, acupuncture, chirotherapy, medicine, exercise, and yoga. Fifth one is energy therapy, focuses on the energy within and outside the body. For example, touch therapy or the therapeutic touch. In this, what happens? The energies are modified through the touch. Others are counseling therapy, group therapy, for example, behavior therapy, prayer, and spirituality. Increasing use of alternative modalities. Why the uses of alternative modalities therapies are increasing? Because allopathic medicine is less effective in preventing. In the primary care of the disease, people use alternative modalities, and conditions like decreasing stress induced illness, managing chronic pain. Managing chronic pain is the example of the stress induced illness. Perception that conventional treatment does not provide relief from common ailments. Common ailments are the minor, typically minor one. Okay. To relieve the minor ailments, we can use alternative therapies. Increasing interest of clients in taking active role in their treatment, means the person starts to decrease the sign and symptoms of the illness or tries to improve his health, so he can use alternative modalities. Increase number of articles in journals, by reading the articles in newspapers, in general journals, programs seen on TV. they get inspired to treat herself or himself by herself, or they get inspired by the popular personalities. Attraction of a holistic approach to healthcare means they, by certain practices or therapies, they get attracted to use. Next, alternative or complementary therapies. Alternative therapies may include some interventions as complementary therapies. Complementary means they are included along with the other therapies, used as primary treatment modalities that replaces allopathic medical care. These can be used as the primary treatment. Alternative means in the place of other treatments, and complementary means along with the other therapies the complementary therapies are used. Example, chiropractic, a method of treatment that manipulates body structure. Means in that what happens, the spine area of the body is manipulated or massaged or provided movement that manipulates body structure, especially the spine, to relieve low back pain, even headache or the high blood pressure. Reasons to use alternative modalities: philosophical or cultural orientations. Means, for example, Native American practices, Chiro practices, uh, yoga. These are the cultural orientations. Means they are following that traditions. Less expensive than conventional medicines. Means provided they are provided in the traditional forms, that they do not have to expend much expenditure for conventional medicines. Easier access to health food stores than physicians. Nutritional therapies can be provided in the nearby stores. So physicians suggest to take mega vitamins or metabolites to increase their immunity, to boost their immunity. Dissatisfaction with or loss of trust in conventional medicines. Certain diseases are present which takes time or which cannot be healed completely, so the person may get dissatisfaction. After that, he uses the alternative modalities. Desire to treat the disease in natural ways. Some persons are there who do not trust the conventional medicine, so he uses the natural way. Decrease the feeling of hopelessness and helplessness. After certain diseases, the person may get hopelessness or helplessness. For example, cancer patients, so he can use the alternative modalities like aromatherapy, laughter therapy, behavior therapy to get the holistic care. Improve the immune system. Certain nutritional therapies boost their immunity power. Improve the quality of life. Yoga, that relaxation techniques, deep breathing techniques improve the quality of life by providing peace to the inner mind. Alternative medicine system. Dealing with the first classification, alternative medicine system emphasizes on working with internal natural forces to achieve harmonic state of mind and body, which can promote a sense of well-being and comfort. In this, what happens, one or more things available as another possibility or choice. Okay, alternative means one or more things available as another possibility. Means in this, the person is having to use the therapies which he is desired. There are options are present. For example, traditional Chinese medicine, the Ayurvedic medicine, or the homeopathic medicine, naturopathic, American Indian medicines, which are present or easily accessible to the person. He can use that alternative method to treat his disease. And naturopathy, in alternative medicine, first one is naturopathy. Naturopathy is a complete system of natural healthcare that believes that the body has the knowledge to heal himself. In this, what happens, the person believes that the body can heal itself. a mixture of natural medicines that may include herbs, air, water, and sunlight, hydropathy, diet, and exercises. In this, what is believed? The body is consist of the air, water, and the sunlight. So certain herbs or hydropathy or diet modification can help to eliminate the minor ailments of the body. In naturopathy, the three basic principles are followed. The body has a natural drive to maintain equilibrium. If the body gets disturbed, so the body heal itself by maintaining the equilibrium. What happens if the disease condition in is involved in the body, then the natural flow of the energy in the body is get disturbed. So to eliminate that disturbance, body starts to maintain equilibrium. The root cause of all disease is accumulation of waste products and toxins due to poor lifestyle habits. Due to poor lifestyle and habits, the toxins are produced in the body, and that interferes with the natural phenomena of the body. The body contains the wisdom and power to heal itself, provided treatment serves to enhance this power. If the body gets disturbed, then the body inside starts to heal, and certain therapies helps to enhance this power. Naturopathy includes the physiotherapy, therapeutic exercise, chiropractic, manipulation of joints and soft tissues, reflexology, acupressure or massage, acupuncture, hydrotherapies, biofeedback, meditation, nutrition, herbal remedies, homeopathic remedies. Next is Native American, a system of healing physical illness in attributed to spiritual causes of spirit. In this, what is believed? The body gets disturbed because of spiritual causes or spirits. So healing power includes the appease the spirits, rid of the individual impurities, restore to a health spiritually pure state. Body is helped to maintain its spiritually pure state. The medicine man shaman is a healer. These are the traditional practices followed in the America. So the healer is known as the medicine man, or the medicine man is known as the healer. Traditional Chinese medicine. The traditional Chinese medicine, it originated before 2000 years ago. Traditional Chinese medicine is based on the theory that disease results from improper flow of life force. QI. QI is the quantum interference, means that are the particles that flows polarized water particles, stable polarized water particles that flow in our body through the meridians. Meridians means are the channels. These are the channels through which the life energy QI quantum interference flows. Meridians are not anatomically present, but they are considered. Any disturbance in the flow of life energy QI causes illness. For example, acupuncture or herbal remedies, massage or meditations are provided to increase the flow of the life energy QI. क्वांटम इंटरफेरेंस के फ्लो को इंक्रीज करने के लिए मसाज और द एक्यूपंक्चर और द एक्यूप्रेशर आर प्रोवाइडेड to preserve and restore the health and remove the reflexes. Homeopathic medicine. Homeopathic medicine is the treatment based on the principle like cures. In this, what happens? homeopathic medicines are taking originally substances from the plants, animals, minerals, highly diluting them. Means it is a system of therapy based on the concept that disease can be treated with the drugs. Drugs are used in the minute doses which are capable of producing the same symptoms in healthy person as the disease itself. Means it works on the principle that like cures like. A substances are given in large doses causes a set of symptoms, but if the substance are given in the remedies form, then it cures the disease. Extremely low concentrations are prepared in a specific way that it can eliminate the disease condition. There is no scientific explanation how the diluted remedies used in homeopathy could cure disease, but some solutions are diluted that they can contain no molecules of the active ingredients. However, homeopathy has fewer risks. Rarely an allergic or the toxic reaction occurs. Ayurvedic medicines. It considers the disease result from the accumulation of toxin in the body and imbalance of emotions. It prescribes individual diets, detoxification, cleansing from orifices, meditation, and yoga. Ayurveda is a system of healing based on homeopathy, naturopathy, with an extensive use of herbs. Ayurveda is a system of traditional medicine native to the Indian subcontinent. It has been originated more than 5000 years ago and practiced in the other parts of the world also. In Sanskrit, Ayurvedic breaks in two words. Ayus means the life and the Veda means related to knowledge or the science. Ayurveda appeared during the Vedic period of India. Okay, Ayurveda appeared in the Vedic period of India. The Sushruta Samhita or the Charak Samhita were the in works done by the Ayurvedic practitioners. Okay, mind body therapy. Mind body therapy means the energies inside the mind or the body or the environment. Energy present in the environment, these are modified. Biofeedback therapy. First is biofeedback therapy. Biofeedback therapy, in this what happens is a mind body technique involves using visual or auditory feedback to gain control over involuntary bodily functions such as blood flow, blood pressure, and heart rate. For example, you might use a relaxation technique to turn down the brain waves that activate when you have headache. If a person is having headache, then impulses are sent through the neurons to the brain. In बायोफीडबैक थेरेपी द इनवॉलेंट्री बॉडी फंक्शंस को क्या करता है, कंट्रोल करते हैं to relieve the headache. Means that decreasing that impulses, the flow of impulses are decreased. During biofeedback session, what happens, a therapist attaches some sensors to the brain to monitor the waves, the temperature, or the muscle, the movements of the muscle. To monitor that, they attach some sensors and monitors through the screen. Some of the risk factors are irritable bowel, constipation, urinary incontinence, fecal incontinence, tension, heart rate may produce bradycardia. Hypnosis. Hypnosis, we all know what is hypnosis, is the hypnotherapy. This is alternative therapy derived from the Western practice. In this, what happens? People are guided into an advanced state of relaxation and heightened attention. Means in this, a person is having heightened form of attention. Hypnotized people became absorbed in the images. Means they go deeply inside the images suggested by the hypnotherapist. A calm environment is provided to the patient. Then the therapist provides certain objects or the images. Then the people uh, imagines the suggested by the hypnotherapist and are able to suspend his beliefs, what he thinks or what he is perceiving, because their attention is more focused and they are more open to suggestions provided by the therapist. Hypnotherapy can be used to help people change their behavior and thus improve their health. They are used to treat purely psychological symptoms, for example, phobia, certain pain syndromes, smoking cessation, headaches, and high blood pressure, anxiety, and diminished quality of life in the people who have cancer. They can be treated through the hypnotherapy. Hypnotherapy has been used in some success to help people to stop smoking, but hypnotherapy is poorly understood from the scientific standpoint. Guided imagery. Guided imagery means the person is provided to the imagination. Mind body intervention. In this, the person is provided certain pictures or environments to think about it. Mind body intervention, by which a trained practitioner or teacher helps a participant and a patient to evoke and generate mental images that stimulate or recreate the sensory perception of sight, sounds, taste. To promote relaxation, we can lower blood pressure and reduce other problems related to stress. It helps to manage pain and promote healing. Means the therapist provides in this, what happens, a calm and quiet environment is provided to the patient, and the therapist suggests to think about certain views or images, pictures, and what happens, the person gets attention to that and starts to perceive sound, sights, and taste. This helps to promote relaxation. To after relaxation, and what happens, the healing power increases to reduce stress. Guided imagery focus on images to create relaxing or positive images and experiences. Guided imagery places our mind into a state of deep relaxation, reducing pain, presence of stress hormones, decrease muscle tension, ultimately shifting our attention away from pain. Means it helps to divert the mind through the pain. What happens in guided imagery? It helps in reducing the activity of the nerves that control stress response, sympathetic nervous system. Okay, then what happens, it controls the stress hormones. Then it helps to lower the blood pressure, easing muscle tension, slowing metabolic processes and altering brain wave activities. रिलैक्सेशन टेक्निक्स में क्या होता है कि जो स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स हैं दैट आर कंट्रोल्ड, the guided imagery process therapies are used along with the other techniques like meditation or the hypnotherapy. For example, a person with cancer might be told to imagine an army of white blood cells fighting against the cancer cell. So what happens? A person gets positive energy that his white blood cells are fighting with the cancer cells. Guided imagery has not been thoroughly scientifically studied, but many people claim to have had success with it. Relaxation therapy, same as guided imagery. It in it what happens, relaxation techniques are practices specifically designed to relieve tension and strain. The specific technique may aimed at reducing the activity of the nerves. In this what happens, same as guided imagery, the stress hormones are controlled to lower the blood pressure or the stress hormones or the altering the brain wave activities. These relaxation techniques are also used with the other therapies. Relaxation therapies. These are of two types: progressive relaxation therapies and passive relaxation therapies. Progressive relaxation techniques means simple practice of tensing or tightening one muscle group at a time. For example, in breathing what happens, a group of muscles get tensed and then after releasing it gets relaxed, the muscles get relaxed. In passive relaxation, where you focus on all of your muscles being in a relaxed state, all the muscles of the body are included. For example, to relieve the stress. Clinical applications, lowers the heart rate, respiration rate, the muscle tensions or the stress are relieved. Improves well-being, means through the deep breathing exercises person feels the well-being. Example, deep breathing. Meditation. In meditation, people regulate their attention or systematically focus on particular aspects of inner or outer experience. Means person starts to focus on the inner aspects or experiences of his body. Meditation usually involves sitting or resting quietly, often with eyes closed. Sometimes it involves a repetitive sound of phrases. For example, certain months are used to focus. They help to focus. Meditation has been shown to have favorable effects on heart rate, blood vessel. For cardiovascular disorders, meditations are suggested. It boosts it boosts immunity power and the brain activity. For example, in depression or in stress, meditation helps to increase the activity of brain. With the meditation, certain therapies are included. For example, physical relaxation, mental calmness. It favors the mental stress. It favors to relieve the mental emotional stress. For example, it helps in love, kindness, and temperedness. Meditation can be effective regardless of people's culture and religious background. Types of meditation. All the meditation techniques can be grouped into basic approaches: concentrative meditation and mindfulness meditation. Concentrative meditation means mind is focused entirely on one object or thought. But in mindfulness meditation, what happens, involves breathing practices and awareness of body and mind. Means all the body muscles and the concentration are dispersed throughout the body. But in concentrative, only one object or one thought is involved. In mindfulness therapy, the mind or the body is considered. It helps in slow down racing thoughts. It helps to eliminate the negative thoughts. Calm and mind body. Calm, it helps to calm the body and mind. In transcendental meditation, uh, it is a meditation technique derived from Vedic tradition that promotes deep relaxation through use of personal mantras. Means certain mantras are used by the person himself. Uses meditation can be used to relieve the anxiety or tension. Chronic bereavement. Bereavement means the sadness or loss, and chronic fatigue syndrome, irritability, hypertension, mild depression, low self-esteem or self-blame, sleep disorders, psychological disorders. Music therapy, we all know what is music therapy. Use of musical or rhythmic interventions, especially selected by a music therapist. In this, what happens, a calm environment is provided to the patient, and the therapist suggests which music or which rhythms has to be played. In music therapy, a person can start singing, listening, playing instruments, composition, moving to music, and music imagery exercises. uh, in music therapy, what happens, interpersonal processes are involved between the music therapist and the patient. It affects the physical stability, emotional, mental, social, spiritual, to help clients to cope up or to maintain their health. Music therapy is used with individuals of all age. It can be used with all age grouped people with a variety of conditions, including psychiatric disorders, medical problems, physically handicaps, sensory impairments, substance abuse. If the person is having the communication disorders or interpersonal problems, it is used to improve learning. uh, it helps to improve learning, self-esteem, to build self-esteem, reduce the stress, support physical exercises, and facilitate a host of other health related activities. Other therapies, aromatherapy. We all know about other aromatherapy is a holistic healing treatment to promote health and well-being. Sometimes it's called essential oil therapy. Aromatherapy uses aromatic essential oils medicinally to improve the health of body, mind, and spirit. It enhances both physical and emotional health. Aromatherapy means the use of essence. Certain medicinally accepted essence are provided to the patient, which helps to increase the sense of perception of smell, and that helps to relieve the stress or the tensions of the patient. uh, it is based on the healing power of plant oils, which may be massaged into the skin or inhaled or used in the bath. Certain clay face masks or oils are provided. It provides the feeling of well-being. Aromatherapy massage relieves the tension, improves the circulation, and can reduce the anxiety in a short-term setting such as intensive care. At, It helps to reduce agitations. It increases the social interaction in dementia patients. Some disadvantages are also present of the aromatherapy. Promotes it helps to promotes relaxation and relieve stress. And some disadvantages are allergic reactions to certain oils, headache may be present, lightheadedness and nausea because of the essence of the oils. Aromatherapy works through the sense of smell and skin absorption using products such as diffusers. Diffusers means the containers which are having the oils which get evaporated by heating. Aromatic spritzers is a combination. These are the combination of essential oils and water in a bottle which has a spray top through which the essential oil and water can be sprayed. And inhalers, bathing salts, body oil creams and lotions present to apply on the skin. Facial steamers used to clean the face by means of steam. By the facial steamers, sweat are produced that helps to open the pores, removes dead skin and dirt. Music therapy, remaining portion of music therapy, it promotes wellness, manage stress, it helps to alleviate pain, helps to express feelings what he is thinking, it helps to cognitive power, enhance memory, improve communication, promote physical rehabilitation. How it works, the how the music therapy works. Music is a sensory stimulus. These are the sensory stimulus produced through the sense of hearing. Then the sound vibrations are converted to impulses that are transmitted to the brain. Then the brain perceives that sound vibration through the impulse and starts producing the mood stabilizer, for example serotonin, to regulate mood, happiness and to relieve anxiety and depression. Uh, Rhythmic musics or the instruments without lyrics are suggested for music therapy. Art therapy, a form of expressive therapy that uses art materials such as paints, chalks, markers as a primary mode of communication. In this, what happens, a creative environment is provided to the patient so that he can create what is he is thinking, what he is experiencing. So he is provided with the chalks, paints and markers to express his feelings. It helps a client to express insight or judgment into self, cope with the stress, to divert, as used as a diversional therapy. It increases the cognitive abilities and it helps the person because of feeling of well-being. It helps to maintain relationship with the family, friends or the social relationships are enhanced. Art therapy, its goal is to improve the mental health of the patient and emotional well-being. Drawings, paintings, sculptures and creative ideas are brought to the patient's mind. For example, photographies are used. Therapists interpret the symbols and metaphors from the creative work. Means metaphors means speech in which a word or phrase is applied to an object or action that are not literally applicable. Means if the person is having cognitive impairment, then he uses metaphors. Metaphors means certain lines are spoken by the patient which are not literally applicable to that object. So the art therapy helps the patient to judge that particular object or thought correctly. Uses of the art therapy. Uh, Art therapy for managers or staff under pressure to relieve the stress. Generally, these are generally used for the patients with the stress disorders, mental health problem, severe learning difficulties. It helps to improve the cognitive power for child and young people who have problems conforming in school and with personal problems at home. Conforming in school means to follow standards or laws in school. Okay. And for people who feel they are problem free but would like the opportunity to explore issues within themselves. These are the problems of the youths, that they are feeling they are problem free but they try to express their feelings or uh, thoughts within themselves. Laughter therapy. Laughter therapy or the humor therapy. In humor therapy we use the sense of humor. Laughing is a sound or expression produced after perceiving the uh, certain actions or movements. Laughing is found to lower the blood pressure, reduces the stress hormones, increases the muscle flexion, and boost immunity function by raising levels of infection fighting T cells, disease fighting proteins. Laughter also triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. Endorphins and neuropeptides, beta endorphins are involved in the pain management. It produces the morphine-like effects. And endorphins are stored in the anterior pituitary gland and it helps to manage the pain by producing morphine-like effects. It involves in a natural reward circuit such as feeding, drinking, sex, and maternal behavior, and in pain management. So, by the laughing, endorphins are produced, which produces the general sense of well being. Laughing is infectious. Laughing is infectious. Hospitals around the country are incorporating formal and informal laughter therapy programs into their therapeutic regimens. For example, certain clubs are present which help the peoples to gather and produce certain acts or laughter. The sole purpose of laughings are becoming or producing the sense of well-being. The benefits of laughter are: laughter activates the immune system, decreases the stress hormones. Types of laughter therapy: humor therapy means the books, shows, movies, or stories to encourage the spontaneous discussion by the patient, means their humors are encouraged to ask question or to perceive certain thoughts. Clone therapy. Laughter therapy means clients' laughter triggers are identified and they are produced with the environment to laugh. By ensuring the inhalation of more oxygen, means during the laughter therapy the person inhales more quantity of oxygen that helps to feel better. It decreases stress leading to lowered stiffness of muscle relaxation, means the stiffness of the muscles are relieved, then the patient feels relaxed muscles. Gives a sense of well-being because of release of endorphins and the neuropeptides, which helps in the feeding, drinking, and maternal behavior. It improves the immunity, decreases cold and cough, and it provokes the anti-stress factor, decreases asthmatic attacks, increases stamina, relieves arthritic pain. provides good sleep and elevates mood. Um, During the laughter therapy, the serotonin, which is known as the mood stabilizer in the brain, goes up. That helps to regulate mood, happiness, relieve anxiety and depression. Now, the energy therapies. Energy therapies, uh, there are certain principles of energy therapies, that the energy flows smoothly without significant blockage and fixation. Means in our body, the stable water polarized particles, means polarized particles of water are floating through the meridians. If there is any blockage or fixation in that particles, then the this equilibrium goes to produce disease condition or the problems in the body. Our physical, psychological, spiritual well-being depends on the free and uninterrupted flow of life energy around the body. In Chinese, it is known as QI, quantum interference. And when energy is unbalanced, blocked, or fixed due to stress or other factors, pain and disease arises. The first example of energy therapy is acupuncture. In acupuncture, what happens? Small thin needles are inserted in the pressure points because disruption of the energy flow. Means if the energy has been stabilized at a particular or fixed at a particular place, then this needles acupuncture helps to flow of the energy. Applying acupuncture to certain points, it is thought to improve the flow of QI, quantum interference, thereby improving health. The most common side effects, it has certain side effects. For example, if we use needles to puncture the skin, so it may produce bleeding, or repetitive puncture may produce soreness, bruising at the site of needle insertion, and sometimes it produces dizziness, fainting. Look, if the internal organs are harmed, then internal bleeding, convulsions, infections are produced in hepatitis B, and skins are punctured, the dermatitis can be produced, nerve damage can be seen, increased pain, and rarely internal organ are rarely injured, means internal bleeding can be rarely seen. Same as acupuncture and acupressure works on the same principle. In acupressure, uh, pressures are provided. It is a manual of pressure applied to specific areas of foot or palm. These are areas are believed to correspond to different organs of the body system. Means uh, the body is having pressure points. By applying pressure to the body parts, the flow of energy can be increased. Means they provide stimulation of this area is believed to eliminate the blockage of energy responsible for pain or disease in the corresponding body part. Some theories that the pressure may promote the release of natural pain relieving chemicals. By applying pressure, endorphins are released, which helps in the pain management. Massage therapy, acting and manipulating the patient's body's soft tissue, the skin, the muscle, tendons, ligaments, fascia, with pressure, tension, motion or vibration. In this, what happens? The pressure is applied, or the tensions are provided, motions are provided, or the vibration can be provided, either by manually or mechanical aids. So the movements are provided to the soft tissues. It is used to relieve the pain, reduce anxiety, depression, temporarily reduction in blood pressure, heart rate, and the state of anxiety. Massage therapy. Massage therapy encourage healing. How? If a person is having a wound, massage therapy helps to blood circulation. By the improved blood circulation, the cells or the tissues of the body starts healing, and starts healing, stretching and loosening muscles and connective tissue to keep them elastic. It provides elasticity. In massage therapy, certain massage oils are used. For example, coconut oil, sesame oil, mustard oil, olive oil, or the almond oil used to massage the skin. In massage therapy, what happens? Oils are massaged on the skin, and the skin absorbs that oil and helps to produce sense of well-being. And through the massage, the blood circulations of the skin are improved. Ruffling means structural integration, means body structures are integrated in a alignment. The technique of deep massage intended to realign the body, means the alignment of the body are improved by altering the length or the tone of myofascial tissue. Basis of practice is myofascial tissues are the thin strong fibrous tissue or the connective tissue present all over the body to provide support or to provide alignment to the body. Basis of practice is the belief that a misalignment of the myofascial tissue may have detrimental effect on person's energy level, self-image, muscular efficiency, and general health. Detrimental effect means tending to cause harm. If the person's alignment is misaligned, then it may cause harm to the patient. So, to relieve that tension or the stress, rufflings are provided. In ruffling, what happens? Pressure is applied with fingers, knuckles, and elbows, and the practitioner practitioner manipulate and stretch the body's facial tissues to re-establish proper physical alignment to head, torso, pelvis, leg, and feet. To promote associated mental and emotional balance, means if the person is having misaligned body, then what happens? It may produce pain, anxiety, or social he may produce so what else? Social interrelation may be affected. So to promote that, rufflings are provided. Magnetic therapy. Magnetic therapy means the earth is considered as a magnet. Okay, the earth is considered as the big magnet. It is the basic principle of the magnetic therapy. Then our bodies are surrounded by the magnetic waves, because the earth is a big magnet. Then our body is surrounded by magnetic waves emitting from the earth and other spatial bodies like in sun, the moon. These natural magnetism influences and supports all form of life, and if there is any destruction then what happens? The disease are produced. The magnetic field produced by the earth helps to prevent disease and promotes health. But if there is any discontinuation in the electromagnetic field, then disease are produced, although the electricity itself remains confined within the wire, and magnetic field induced moves outside. Certain magnetic ornaments are provided, or in hospital setting electric fields are provided with a varying electromagnetic electromagnetic power. Some documented effects of electromagnetic field include accelerating healing, greater cellular energy, that increases the vasodilation, blood flow, reduces inflammation, edema, muscle relaxation, and it improves the oxygenation, better sleep or lysis of the clots, reduction in platelet adhesion. It increases the fertility. Next, disease is therefore caused by the imbalance between the various electromagnetic forces present within the body. Strategic placement of magnets on specific parts of the body in the form of bracelets, jewelries, magnetic straps for ankle and knee and back. Hydrotherapy, it is also known as the aquatherapy. In this, what happens, water is used to treat the disease. For irrigation, inside it is used as irrigation, and outside it is used to bath. Water can be in the form of ice, vapor or liquid, in the form of ice pack, or for colonic irrigation, or for applying pressure. This alternative therapy is derived from the Western practice. In in hydrotherapy, in water therapy, either we can use the hot water or the cold water. For example, ice packs, hot air baths, general baths, local baths, or the compression, hot compression or the cold compression. By this, what happens, the healing power or the flow of the blood circulation can be increased. Hydrotherapy can be used for musculoskeletal disorders, spinal cord injuries, patients suffering from burns, spasticity, stroke or paralysis. How does it act? Heat is soothing, easing muscle tension. Means it relieves the muscle tension, relieves the pain and improves the circulation. But the cold stimulates the nerves or the circulation. It also provides soothing. Ayurveda. Ayur means the life and the Veda is the knowledge. Ayurveda, a system of medicine that originated in India several thousand years ago. The two ancient books on palm leaves are first books written for Ayurveda by Charak Samhita. For example, there are no books are known as Charak Samhita and the Charak Sushrut. Ayurveda and variations of it means other practices like Ayurveda also been practiced for centuries in other countries. Its aim to integrate the balance of the body, mind and spirit. We consider body, mind and spirit as a whole, and we try to maintain balance between them. Philosophy is that people, their health and the universe are all related. The environmental factors, the person, they are all interrelated, and if there is disequilibrium between them, that leads to health problems. In Ayurveda, certain herbs, metals, massage and other products and techniques are used to cleanse the body and restore the health. Each human being has element that can be found in the universe. Means the human body is made up of elements like sun, air, water, Health will be good if one's interaction with the immediate environment is effective, means the adaptation techniques. In that, three dosh are considered: Vat, Pitta and Kapha. Each dosha is made up of one or two of the five basic elements: space, air, fire, water and earth. They are considered as they are considered that they made the body, and they have certain body functions inside the body. Some examples of use of plants are: spice turmeric is used in rheumatoid arthritis, Alzheimer's disease and wound healing. A mixture Arogyavardhini of sulfur, known as Arogyavardhini, a mixture of sulfur, iron, powdered dried fruits, tree root and other substances has been used to treat the problems related to liver. Yoga. We all know what is yoga. Derived from the Sanskrit word used to unite or to control. Yoga is an ancient Indian practice using physical postures. Means we use certain physical postures to obtain harmony of mind and the body and the spirit. Manipulative and body-based methods. Chiropractic concerned with the diagnosis and treatment of medical disorders of the musculoskeletal system, especially the spine. Means chiropractic in this what happens? The spine area, mostly the spine area are manipulated to maintain the alignment of the body, to reduce the hypertension, to reduce the heart rate, which had been affected due to the falling or trauma or repetitive stress. Tai Chi. It is an ancient Chinese therapy. In this, what happens? Martial act is included. That can be used for training purpose, defense training, or it has helped in the health benefits also. It helps to strengthen the muscle, it maintains flexibility, provides flexibility to the skin muscles. During these, meditations are involved, which helps in the aerobic conditioning. It provides strength to the body. Yoga and Tai Chi helps in the increased oxygenation of the blood. It helps to tone up the muscles. It helps to relax the mind, improves the posture of the body, improves the blood circulation and the bodily functions. These are the 8 limbs included in the yoga practice. Certain asanas are included in the yoga. They helps to stretch the muscles of the body, improves the balance and the concentration. What is touch therapy? A therapeutic touch, also known as therapeutic touch, which helps to approach to wellness, physical, mental and emotional, spiritual health. It is a true holistic approach to the health. Therapeutic touch, in what happens? In that, therapists place their fingers on or near the patient's body with the intention to heal or help. The palm of the therapist are placed near the body with the intention to heal them. In this, the energies are thought to promote healing through restoring harmony to a person's energy field. Means energy field of the therapist are considered to heal the wound of the patient. Reiki. The Reiki means the mysterious atmosphere, miraculous sign. These therapies doesn't have the scientific touch therapy, or the Reiki therapy doesn't have the scientific proven evidence. They are practiced in certain parts. Reiki is a Japanese word, means universal, and life is life energy. It is a healing energy. uh, Healing energy targets the energy field around the body, um, same as the touch therapy. Palm, it is also referred as palm healing or hands-on healing. Nursing and alternative modalities of care. How the nurses in nursing modality alternative modalities of care can be used. Um, Complementary alternative medicines, these are the practices or the techniques which we can use along with the allopathic medicines to reach our nursing goals. Use of nursing and theory and nursing classification system provide a context to the nurses to use this complementary alternative medicine professionally. Means these are the therapies or the theories which we can use along with our nursing practices. Thank you everyone. If you are having any doubt, you are free to ask me. Thank you.